The Leap sensor system's ability to support multiple sensors going into one transmitter node offers great flexibility and high value in a lot of monitoring applications. Our standard base sensor can support a wide variety of sensors. In a standard mode, 2 thermocouples, 4 to 20 milliamp, CAN bus vibration sensor, humidity sensor, a wide variety of a strain sensor. All those can be supported on one base Leap sensor board. In addition to that, we also have a CAN bus on our Leap sensor. So our vibration sensor here, actually we can daisy chain theoretically up to 200 of these to one transmitter node. And that becomes very high value in a lot of ways. It can simplify installation. But one of the things our clients really appreciate from our ability to support multiple sensors with one transmitter node is it lowers the cost of the system. Instead of one sensor to one transmitter, which can get really expensive, we can support a number of different sensors that you may want to monitor on a piece of equipment going to one transmitter node. As we've mentioned, the Leap sensor system is highly modular and can support multiple sensors on one transmitter node. A lot of our sensors that we offer and are customized are not on our website, and we would really encourage you to contact us. We have a base Leap sensor board that can support many different types of sensors, and we can offer custom and semi-custom sensors at very reasonable prices and with short lead times. So don't hesitate. If you need something unusual, contact us, give us a call, or hit the Contact Us button and let us know how we can help.